What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode, we're building a brand new skateboard. I have brand new everything, trucks, wheels, and bearings, so we're gonna put together a new skateboard, and I'm also gonna show you guys how I do my anime grip tape. I know a lot of you guys have been asking where I get my boards, how I do the grip tape and stuff, so we're gonna do that, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, I switched up the camera angle just so you guys can get more of like a hands-on feel of how I'm actually gonna do this. But here we have everything that I'm gonna put together, and starting with the grip tape. This is a Hunter grip tape. This is the Phantom Troop, and I got this from Endless Theory, and I actually think he's sold out of this design. But I'm probably not going to use the whole thing, probably just going to use a piece of it, and I think I'm going to use this character right here. This is Shizuku, and I think she's my favorite out of all these characters, so I'm just going to use that, pair it up with just some plain black on the top and bottom, and then right here we have the setup. Basically we got some Spitfire Formula 4s, I think these are the 58mm, and then we got some Tensor Maglite lows, we got some cheap $10 mini logo bearings, and then I also have the Qwik Qlik system, and this allows me to switch between hard street wheels or some soft cruiser wheels. So this is a setup, and yeah, it's gonna be a dope video, so let's do it. All right, first thing I want to do is probably just cut the grip tape, so I'm gonna move the pieces over here and just focus on this, and I think I'm just gonna use these scissors and just cut right here, nothing special. Yeah, let's just do it real quick. All right, there we have it, Shizuku. All right, now we're just gonna stick the grip on to the board. This is the easy part. This is the graphic that I'll be skating. I actually got this board on Tactics for like 30, maybe like 35 bucks or something like that. But yeah, it was just one of their shop decks, and it was really cheap, and I just decided, why not just stick one of these on there? And yeah, so let's do it. Just want to make sure this is centered though, and yeah, just find the middle, I guess. So the thing is that it'll never just be perfect, so you kind of just have to do it and try your best. So yeah. I mean, for the most part, it probably won't ever be perfect, so I'm just gonna try to make it just as nice as I can. All right, now we got it stuck on there. We're just gonna scrape it and cut it like normal, and then boom, grip job. All right, now it's time for everyone's favorite part, which is the cut. And I actually suck at this part, but hopefully I can do it clean this time. So let's give it a try. Let's just try to lift this up a bit, and let's just try to just pull. Ooh, okay, nice. All right. Oh, excuse me. There you go. Oh, that's up there. It's okay. Boom. Halfway there. Yes. Nice one, cut. Alright, so I couldn't find anything to poke holes, so I'm just gonna use this little stick thing that I found, and hopefully it works. I think it'll work. I mean, yeah, see? It'll work. Now I'm just gonna take this thing and kind of like just open up the holes a little more. Alright, cool. Now I'm just gonna take some extra grip tape and just kind of sand the edges and just make sure that it really sticks to the board. So sickness. This is the deck. Looks sick. I also really like the graphic. It's getting scratched up already, but I don't really mind just because I'm gonna skate it up anyway. But I really like the grip. Looks clean already. And now all that's left is to stick on the trucks and the wheels and the bearings and stuff. So we'll see how far we get because the sun is running away, gonna take over all this, so we'll see. Alright guys, I went inside because the sunlight was running out, and I decided I'll just come up here and finish the rest up and just put everything together. I did the grip tape, which was kind of the messy, loud part, and I don't really like getting the grip dust all up in my rug and stuff. So now we can just put everything together, and the first line of business is to connect the trucks to the deck plates, and the first part is just to take the first half and then to just bolt them on kind of like this, and then the holes will line up just like that. And then another thing is just have the logo under the kingpin here. So yeah, we're just gonna bolt them on, and then that will click into this, and then this will go onto the other side of the deck, and then I'll be able to click them on and off between these trucks and these trucks over here. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these on. Alright guys, I've successfully mounted the deck plates onto the trucks here like so, and now it's time to just slide these onto here and then to mount them onto the board. So I'm just gonna do like that. A big thing is that you want to make sure that they're locked in all the way. This kind of looks like they're locked in all the way, but they're not. You want to be able to see the eye on the Qwik logo right here. So I'm gonna like bang them in a little bit, and I'm just gonna use the other truck to kind of like and now you can see they're fully locked in, and it's good to go. My first time around installing these, I was like, why aren't they locking in perfectly? And but you know, I just banged them in. So yeah, now we could just put them on the board and then install the wheels and bearings. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, we got the trucks on the board finally, and as you guys can see, there's a deck plate in between the truck and the board, so it kind of has a bit of a riser space, and that's something to be aware of if you decide to get like the Qwik trucks or decide to, you know, test them out, try them out. But I got the 58mm Spitfire Formula 4s, and these are a bit on the bigger side, and it's gonna make it a little bit more comfortable riding with the spacers or the risers. And I'm gonna pair that with some cheap $10 bearings. These are the mini logos, and there's nothing special about these. They're just basics, kind of like the Reds but on the cheaper side. But I want to compare these bearings to some of the things that I've been riding for a while, like the Quantums, like the Reds, and just see how they match up and compare, and just see if bearings really even make a difference, or if they even last as long or not as long, or things like that. So this is going to be an experiment, but I've been riding this type of wheel for a long time, so it's something I'm comfortable with. And yeah, so that's the setup, and let's go ahead and put it together. Alright guys, we got the bearing seated in all the wheels now, and it looks pretty nice. I tried to use the bearing tool, and it was kind of hard to pop them in with just this thing alone, so I decided to just use my trucks and my weight to just push down. But I feel like this would be really nice to kind of pry out the bearings of the wheels. So really neat tool, just kind of hard to use. But now it's time to just put the wheels onto the deck, and I think I'm gonna use the clean white side facing out. And you don't have to, you guys can use the graphic if you want, but I just think that this side looks a lot more clean. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna flip them around after every board or so. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Alright, we got the board set up. I took the trucks off because I can do that with these, and I think let's go test it out. But I think I'll skate to the skate spot with these, and these are Super Juice wheels. These are soft wheels, and they're also a little bit bigger. And yeah, I can switch out the trucks as I please, and yeah, just make sure these are clicked in all the way here. I don't think this one's clicked in all the way yet. Let me see if I can hammer it in there. Let me see here. There we go. I think it's clicked in now. Alright, just gotta make sure these are clicked in, otherwise could fall off while you're skating them. But these things are tough, so don't be afraid to bang them in. And yeah, but now we got the cruiser wheels on there, and then when we get to the skate spot, we'll switch them out with the hard wheels. So let's do it. Alright, so far so good. The cruiser wheels actually feel really good. Now it's time to switch it up and switch to the street wheels and see how those fare, so let's do it. All right, looks like we're good to go. We got the street wheels on. These are the hard street wheels compared to the cruiser wheels. So we just switched it out real quick, and now we're gonna give it a test. So let's do it. Alright guys, there you have it. There is the brand new complete skateboard, and so far it feels pretty good. I really like it with the hard street wheels as well as the soft cruiser setup. So I'm really digging it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and you guys are probably going to be seeing this board in a lot more of my future videos. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to drop me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time, peace out.